Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Solution 220. Today's video is all about Rivals. And yes, this is the 2026 latest update. Many players are staying up late at night, waiting for new Rivals codes in 2026. And in this video, I'll be talking about brand new codes, fresh updates, and special rewards for Rivals players. Important notice, I will not show any codes on the screen. All codes will be shared by voice only. So make sure you watch the full video and do not skip, or you might miss the latest Rivals code. Rivals in 2026 is more intense than ever. Better weapons, faster gameplay, and stronger Rivals make this update extremely exciting. If you want free rewards and an advantage in the game, these updates and codes are very important. If you are new to Rivals and don't know how to redeem codes, don't worry. Open Rivals on Roblox. Go to the code or menu section. Enter the code carefully as you hear it, and enjoy your rewards instantly. Comment below and tell me which Rivals weapon or update you like the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because more Rivals 2026 code videos are coming very soon. This is Best Solution 220. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.